In a recent controversy, an Indian origin startup founder has faced backlash after responding sharply to a former employee's viral social media post about being fired. The post, shared by Namia Khan, who is now the co-founder of her own design agency called Superfast, went viral when she recalled being fired from her first tech job back in 2023, and that too without mentioning the company's name. Khan shared how her product manager told her the artificial intelligence might replace her very soon, just a month before her dismissal. Despite the tough experience, Khan shared that getting fired was actually a blessing, and she used it as a motivation to start her own business. In her post, she wrote, "Looking back, getting fired was the best thing ever happened to me," adding a very motivational lesson. If it won't matter in 5 years, don't give it 5 minutes of panic. While Khan's post seemed to resonate with many people, her former boss, Kaswin Suresh, who is the co-founder of a startup company called Dardog, quickly responded with a very sharp message. He accused Khan of misrepresenting the situation to gain sympathy and attract freelance clients. Suresh claimed that her job loss had nothing to do with AI but was due to her poor performance at work. According to Suresh, Khan's work was constantly sloppy, deadlines were missed, and basic execution was kind of poor. He argued that she wasn't replaced by any AI, but rather than a person who could do a job properly, saying that this wasn't AI replacing a job. This was somebody not doing the job. Suresh's response to Khan's post quickly became a really hot topic online, with many people criticizing his decision to publicly call out his former employee. Some felt that his comments were unprofessional and unnecessary, specifically since Khan had never named the company in her post. In fact, one social media user pointed out that calling out an ex-employee in this kind of manner doesn't reflect good leadership skill. Another user remarked that Suresh had damaged his company's reputation more than Khan ever could by reacting publicly. Well, the debate raised an important point about how Indian managers are often perceived abroad, specifically when it comes to dealing with employee situations. While let me tell you, not all Indian managers are in the wrong when dealing with such situation, but the controversy highlights how emotional reactions and public disputes between employer and employee can actually damage reputation. Well, the situation also underscores a broader trend in the Indian tech industry, where growing businesses and startups are navigating the global work environment with both traditional and modern leadership challenges.